Half a millimeter. That's how thick the skin under your eye is right now. Thinner than a single sheet of printer paper. Hold a piece of paper up to the light. You can almost see through it. That's what's sitting between the outside world and the blood vessels underneath your eye. That's the entire barrier. And behind that paper, those vessels are leaking, one cell at a time. Red blood cells are escaping through microcracks in the capillary walls, leaving behind a dark iron pigment called hemosiderin, brown, bluish, sitting in the tissue under your skin like a rust stain forming underneath wet fabric. No moisturizer can reach it, no cucumber slice, no $40 eye cream, because they're all working on the wrong side of the problem. The stain isn't on the surface, it's underneath. And there's one vitamin that 95% of women over 60 have never once put on their face. A vitamin that reaches the right layer and does something to those circles that nothing else can. My neighbor Margaret tried it after 6 years of nothing working. What began changing on day 4 is why I sat down and made this. But first, 3 mistakes. Because if you're making even one of them tonight, the protocol won't work. And the second one is the mistake I least expected. The first, rubbing your eyes. The capillaries under that paper-thin skin are so fragile that firm pressure breaks them. I watched a woman at a pharmacy last month massaging eye cream into her under eyes, pressing hard, working it in. She thought she was pushing the cream deeper. What she was actually doing was creating new micro leaks, more hemosiderin, darker circles tomorrow because of what she did tonight. Ring finger only, tapping, never pressing. The ring finger is your weakest. It physically cannot apply enough force to damage those capillaries. The second mistake surprised me. Retinol. Imagine sanding down a wall to repaint it, but there's a water leak behind it. You've made the wall thinner, and the stain shows through more clearly than before. That's what retinol does to the under eye area in the first 2 to 3 weeks. It strips the moisture barrier while rebuilding collagen underneath. Long term, it's brilliant. Short term, on skin that's already thinner than paper, the circles look darker, not lighter. Most people quit during that exact window, convinced the retinol caused the problem. It didn't, but the timing was wrong. The leak needs to be sealed first, then you rebuild. Third, sleeping face down. Gravity pools blood into the under eye area all night. 8 hours of extra pressure on capillaries that are already fragile means maximum leakage by morning. One extra pillow, or a 15-degree wedge, lets gravity drain fluid away from your face instead of into it. Simple, free, tonight. 3 facts you probably haven't been told before, and we haven't even reached the vitamin yet. Vitamin K, phytonadione. You know it as the clotting vitamin. Newborn babies receive it at birth. But when you put vitamin K on the skin, topically, it does 2 things at once. And this is where it separates itself from everything else you've tried. First, it strengthens capillary walls, helps seal those micro cracks. Fewer cracks mean fewer leaks, which means less new hemosiderin forming every night. Second, it accelerates the reabsorption of the hemosiderin already sitting there, the iron stain, the rust underneath the fabric. Vitamin K helps your body carry it away. Think of it as a repair crew that shows up and does 2 jobs in one visit. They seal the crack in the pipe so it stops leaking, and then they clean the stain the leak left behind. No other vitamin does both. A clinical study, 57 adults applied a gel containing 2% phytonadione twice daily for 8 weeks. Dark circles improved on a validated pigmentation scale, not a feeling, measured on instruments. A separate trial in 1999 tested 1% vitamin K with retinol,
Your test
effective in
results came back clear,
93% of
and the
patients.
prognosis is very good.
Actually, I need
We'll
to
start the
qualify
treatment next
that.
week.
Those strongest results came from vitamin K combined with 2 other things, not alone. And the second ingredient is probably in your kitchen right now. But the pipe itself, the capillary wall, is still fragile on the inside. You can keep mopping the floor, But if you don't fix the tap, the water keeps coming. Vitamin K seals the leak from the outside, but something you eat strengthens the pipe from within. I'll come back to that. Here's the protocol. Night by night, nights 1 and 2. Apply a vitamin K cream or serum. Look for the word phytonadione or phytomenadione on the label, not menadione. That's a harsher synthetic form. Ring finger, tapping gently, never rubbing. On top of that, layer 3 drops of cold-pressed sweet almond oil. This is the kitchen ingredient. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E and contains natural phytosterols, compounds that calm inflammation and help carry the vitamin K deeper through the skin's lipid barrier. It softens and conditions that paper-thin tissue while the vitamin K works underneath. Days 3 and 4 are where something happens that you can't see yet, but it explains why day 5 catches everyone off guard. Press your ring finger gently under your eye. The skin feels slightly different, less swollen, marginally firmer. That's the capillary walls tightening. And underneath, your body has started breaking down the iron deposits. You know how a bruise on your arm goes through that ugly yellowish-green phase before it disappears? Your body is breaking down the iron pigment and carrying it away. That process is beginning now, under the surface, quietly. You're 4 days in. The machinery is running. Day 5. This
Seeing
is
you
when
this
most people
happy
stop, and that's
really
precisely
brightens
the
my
wrong
day.
day to walk away.
It's a beautiful.
Because days 5 and 6 are where the visible turn begins. The blue-brown tone starts shifting, subtly. The edges of the darkness soften first. And this is where the third ingredient enters: caffeine. Not in your coffee, on your skin. Caffeine is a vasoconstrictor. It tightens dilated blood vessels on contact. A published trial tested 3% caffeine combined with vitamin K. After 4 weeks, every participant showed improvement in dark circles and wrinkles. 2 options: a caffeine eye serum. Many good ones exist for under $10. Or chill green tea bags on your eyes for 10 minutes. Green tea contains caffeine naturally, though at a lower concentration than a dedicated serum. The serum hits harder. The tea bags cost nothing. Both contribute. Use what you have tonight. Day 7, the mirror moment. Honest expectations. This isn't erasure. It's the beginning of visible change. A lightening you can see in natural light, without a filter, without makeup. The full picture takes 4 to 6 weeks of consistent nightly use. But by day 7, the mechanism is working, and you can see the evidence of it. The stain is moving. Now, here's the part I wish someone had told me years ago. Everything I've described so far is the outside protocol. But dark circles also respond to what happens inside your body. And there are 2 connections that almost nobody makes. I spoke with a woman last year who'd been taking an iron supplement every morning for 11 years. Her doctor prescribed it in her 50s for mild anemia. Nobody ever told her to stop, and nobody, not once, connected it to the dark circles that started deepening 3 years into taking it. Excess iron in the bloodstream means more raw material for hemosiderin deposits.
I'm
If you haven't had
prescribing
your
this
iron
cream for
levels
the
tested
rash
recently,
and these
ask your
tablets
doctor.
twice a
You might be
day.
feeding the very
It's
stain you're
crucial you
trying to
complete the
erase.
full
The second connection is the one that ties this entire protocol together: vitamin C. It's required for collagen production, including the collagen inside your capillary walls. Research confirms that when vitamin C is deficient, periorbital skin thins and capillary walls weaken, making blood vessels more visible and more prone to leaking. That's the tap I mentioned earlier. Vitamin K seals the leak from outside. Vitamin C strengthens the pipe from the inside. Sweet almond oil delivers. Caffeine constricts. 4 elements. Each one does something the others can't. How long have you had them? 3 years? 10? And I'm asking with real curiosity, did anyone ever explain to you what they actually are before today? I'd like to hear your answer. One thing, quickly. Everything here comes from published research, but your body has its own rules. If you take blood thinners or anything that affects clotting, A quick word with your doctor first is worth the 2 minutes. Every step of this protocol is marked in the timeline below, so you can come back to any night without scrolling. And now, the one piece I saved for those of you still here. Something that wasn't in the protocol, but it might be the most useful 30 seconds in this entire video. The color of your dark circles tells you the cause. And once you know the color, you know exactly what to do first. Look in the mirror tonight. Blue or purple shadows, that's vascular. Blood vessels showing through thin skin. The vitamin K protocol I just walked you through is exactly right for you. Start tonight. Brown or almost black, that's melanin. A pigmentation problem, not a vessel problem. Different cause, different approach. Niacinamide and vitamin C are your starting point there. Reddish or pink, that's irritation, possibly an allergy. And no topical protocol will help until the irritant itself is removed. One glance, 3 colors, 3 entirely different answers. Now, while you're standing in front of that mirror tonight, checking the color of your circles, I want you to notice something else. Look at your hands, or your cheeks, or the backs of your wrists. If you see brown spots there, age spots, sunspots, liver spots, whatever name you've been given, then there's something you should know. There's another vitamin that does to those spots what vitamin K does to dark circles. And it's not the vitamin most people guess. I made an entire video about it. Which one it is, how it works, the 3 mistakes that make spots darker instead of lighter, and the exact method that published research shows works better than the $40 creams. That video is playing right now on your screen, and the thing you'll learn in the first 2 minutes is something I genuinely believe every woman over 50 deserves to hear. Take care of yourself tonight.